Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another meal plan and grocery haul video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kristi. I'm kind of following the WW Blue program. I've had to kind of step away from the WW plan for medical reasons and count calories just because I've not been able to eat all the healthy foods that I want to eat, but I am getting back to it. And so on my channel, I do share the points for all three programs, and I also share calories as well. If you're interested in my meal plans, these are free on my website, planningushealthy.com. I have a couple different ones. I have this one that's just Monday through Friday. I have one that's Monday through Sunday, a little bit different format, and one I think that's Sunday through Saturday, I believe. And then I have a few printables, so just go to planningushealthy.com and you'll see a link for recipes and free printables. All right, this week for breakfast, we realized this week that we have not done breakfast burritos in a long time. So that's what we're gonna do this week. I'm actually gonna do probably 4 days worth of those. And what I'll do is just freeze probably Wednesday and Thursdays. Those freeze real well, so you can make a big batch of them and then just freeze them and pull them out like the day before. So those are 3 points on blue and purple and 7 points on green, and then 283 calories. And then Friday, I'll probably just do a bacon, egg, and cheese muffin, 5 points on blue and purple, 7 points on green, and 253 calories. Lunch prep this week. We are really excited about this one. This was a recipe that I found off of the Skinny-ish Dish. I just recently found her and I've been liking a lot of her recipes. But this is a meatball sub bubble up and it looks so good. And I'm thinking I may just do like a side salad with that. I'm gonna see how big of a portion it makes, and if it's not a real big portion, then I'll do a side salad with it. But that is, according to her website, 6 points on all programs and 284 calories. And then I'll do that for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Thursday, I'm probably just gonna do like chicken salad on lettuce, just some canned chicken with some light mayonnaise, and then I'll just put it over a bed of lettuce. And then Friday for lunch will be a Publix sub, because Thursday night for dinner, I'm planning on Publix subs. So when I do that, I usually get a whole one and I eat half for dinner and then half for lunch the next day. For dinners this week, so Monday nights are salmon night for us. Bourbon glazed salmon this week, and for that salmon it's 1 point on blue and purple, 5 points on green, 265 calories. I'm going to pair that with rice and asparagus. So the entire dinner will be 4 points on blue and purple, 8 points on green, and 480 calories, depending on how much asparagus you have. The rice, if you're on purple and you did brown rice, then your entire dinner would be 1 point. And Tuesday night, I'm going to do smothered pork chops and rice with green beans. That is a slow cooker recipe. I don't think I actually have a recipe link to that one, so I'll just type out the recipe down below. But all the other recipes that I'm listing on here will be linked down in the description box. So the points on that are 8 points on all programs, 340 calories. And then Wednesday night, I'm going to do chicken marsala skillet, which I forgot to write the points down for that one. That is, I've got my thing over here, 4 points on blue and purple, 9 points on green, and 400 calories. And then, like I said, Thursday night will be Publix subs. And then Friday, I think I'm going to do Mediterranean chicken kebabs. Those are 2 points. Those are just chicken kebabs that we get from Aldi. They come in a box and they're 2 points. They're really good. And it's 2 points on all programs. And then I'll do a vegetable with that. So I'm going to have a light dinner, seeing as how I'm having the sub for lunch. My snacks this week, I have been able to start incorporating some fruit back into my diet. So I'm going to have fruit for 0 points. And I think this week I'm doing just blueberries and cantaloupe. And I think I have apples too. And then I have some pretzel crisps and Laughing Cow cheese. So 3 points for the pretzel crisps and 1 point for the Laughing Cow cheese. So that's basically what I have on the plan for the week. So as always, I may have different snacks during the week, but that's kind of like what's planned. And sometimes I may switch days as far as like dinners. There, for some reason, I may not do the slow cooker on Tuesday. I might swap it with another night. So this is just the plan, and things can happen during the week. So now let me move on and show you my grocery haul. I did a Walmart grocery pickup and a Publix Instacart delivery. All right, so here is my Walmart haul. I did a Walmart grocery pickup this week, and then I also have another clip that I'll throw in after this, just showing a small Publix haul that I did as well. So I am going to start down here, and with these 0 points, I got some coleslaw and I got some iceberg salad, which that's the one chance you take when you do Walmart grocery pickup, is they're choosing this stuff for you, and usually they do a pretty good job. Now this one's great, but sometimes it is like that. So I prefer to choose my fruits and vegetables myself, but this week I was in a hurry, so I had to just do it this way. So I also got some Brussels. Now these are 0 points as far as calories. I really don't give the calories for fruits and vegetables just because it depends how much you have of it, and for the vegetables it's really pretty minimal anyway. I also got a bag of peas and carrots and a bag of peas. These are, if you are on green, these do have points, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong if you're on green. They do scan, but I'm not sure. I don't think these ones, the peas and carrots, fall in the 0 point ones. On blue and purple, they're 0, but on green, it's 3 points for the peas and 2 points for the peas and carrots. And that is for 2/3 of a cup, and calories is 50. And the peas, the serving size is 2/3 of a cup, and the calories are 70. I also got some zucchini, some squash, a lime, some shallots, some mushrooms, and then I got some beef broth. I got some kidney beans, which if you are on green, these are 3 points for 1/2 of a cup, and if you're counting calories, they're 120 calories. And you have to be careful because some of the beans will scan points even on blue and purple. So beans, and sometimes some tomatoes and tomato sauces, sometimes if they have added sugar in them, they will scan. So just keep an eye out on that. I also got some Penne. This is 6 points on all programs. And if you're counting calories, it's 200 calories, and that's for 2 ounces. I got some more protein bars. My husband has been really liking these. He usually takes 1 a day and has these on a snack at work. For those of you who don't know, my husband is in maintenance. He's been in maintenance now for about a year, so he can have a lot more points than I can. And the calories, as you can see on these, are fairly low, 130 calories. And then I got some Better Than bouillon. I like to use this in recipes, and it's kind of like I use it as chicken broth once in a while. And then I got a bunch of little biscuits. These you can use for, there's tons of recipes out there for bubble ups, which I'm hoping to do some of those soon. One good thing about these is you can freeze them. I just buy them, keep them in my freezer, and that way if I feel like making a bubble up, then I have them. If you're just eating them for the biscuits, they're 3 points for 2 biscuits. And calories, won't focus, 160 calories for 3 biscuits. And then back there, my husband's Chex Mix. We usually stock up on that. 4 points for a 1/2 a cup. And calories are 130. Also got some of the long grain and wild ready rice. This is 3 points for a 1/2 a cup. And if you're counting calories, it's 190 calories for 1 cup. And 350 for the entire pouch. I don't know who would eat the entire pouch, but that's how many calories it is. I also got some Skippy natural peanut butter, 6 points for 2 tablespoons or 190 calories. I got some part skim mozzarella cheese, 3 points for 1 ounce. Calories is 80 for 1/4 of a cup. I got some ground turkey breast. So this is the one, because it's turkey breast, this is the one that's 0 points on blue and purple. If you just get ground turkey, that's like the 93% lean, that is not 0 points. It has to be ground turkey breast. So 0 points on blue and purple, and green, you can have 5 ounces actually for 1 point. And 120 calories for a 4 ounce portion. I also got some Laughing Cow cheese. This is the creamy garlic and herb. You have to watch because depending on the flavor is how many points it is for 2 wedges. So these are 1 point for 1 wedge. When you have 2 wedges on this one, it is 2 points. But there are some like the light Swiss, I believe that one, if you have 2 wedges, it becomes 3 points. So that wonky WW math. And then I got some cake batter extract. I know a lot of you say that you can't find this in your stores. If you can't find it in your store, I do have a link on my Amazon store. So if you can't find that in your local store, they do have it on Amazon. And then I got some hot sauce. I got some minced onions, some seasoning salt, some no added sugar ketchup. For this kind, you can have 1 tablespoon for 0 points or 5 tablespoons for 1 point. And if you're counting calories, it is 10 calories for 1 tablespoon. Also got some Lily's chocolate chips. This is chocolate salted caramel. I don't think I've had this flavor before. For these ones, you can have 5 chips for 0 points, 16 for 1 point, and 28 for 2 points. And if you're counting calories, 55 calories for 26 chips. So that is not too bad. I also got some no-calorie sweetener. This is basically great value version of Splenda. I got my Lakanto monk fruit sweetener. This is my favorite sweetener. I used to use Swerve, but I really like this kind. So I got the classic kind and the golden, which is kind of like the brown sugar version. So each of those. And then some Worcestershire, some dill relish, and again, minimal calories. In fact, yeah, 0 calories for both of those. I showed this a couple weeks ago. My husband absolutely loves this creamer. This is sugar-free vanilla caramel coffee mate. The only thing I don't like is they don't sell great big ones of it. It's just a small one. So for this, you can have 1 tablespoon for 1 point or 2 tablespoons for 3 points. And for calories, it's 15 calories for a teaspoon. And then I got some bacon bits. These are 0 points for 1 tablespoon, 1 point for 3 tablespoons. Counting calories, it is, come on, focus, 30 calories for 1 tablespoon. I got these cheddar cheese pretzel crisps. I got these a few weeks ago. You might have seen on a meal prep, and I really like this kind. This flavor is really good. 3 points for, I think, 1 ounce. Yes, 1 ounce or 100 calories. I also got some no sugar added Prego. This is 2 points for half a cup. If you get the regular traditional Prego, I believe that one is 3. And calories on this is 60 calories for half a cup. And then my husband wanted some 0 sugar Dr. Pepper. He actually likes the cream soda kind. I actually like that kind too. I found the cream soda kind one time. I shared it on social media, which if you don't follow me on social media, I am Planning Us Healthy on both Instagram and Facebook. So anyway, I had shared a picture of the cream soda because it was really good. And we found it that one time and have not found it since. All right, I don't think I missed anything. So now I will show you my Publix haul. So this here is just a small Publix haul. I did a Publix Instacart delivery haul. So let me go through this real quick with you. I got some Diet Coke. I got these Carb Counter carb lean tortillas. These are 1 point for 1. And if you're counting calories, they are 45 calories. I also got some roasted turkey breasts. These are 2 slices for 0 points on all programs, 7 slices for 1 point. And if you're counting calories, it's 50 calories for 4 slices. I got some Snack Pack sugar-free chocolate pudding. Those are 2 points per cup on all programs or 70 calories. I got some Kodiak Cakes buttermilk. These are 5 points on all programs, and that is for a half a cup. And if you're counting calories, it's 190 calories. I also got some Light and Fit Greek strawberry cheesecake yogurt. These are 2 points per cup or 80 calories. And they're the pretty big size cup. And then these I just like to have once in a while just to keep in the fridge. These are the Just Crack an Egg. They have different kinds. This kind here is the Denver Scramble. For this kind, it's just ham, cheese, potatoes, peppers, and onion. And all you do is just crack an egg in these and you just mix it up. They're really good. So for these ones, they're 3 points on purple and 4 points on green and blue. But keep in mind on green, then you need to add for your egg. So if you're just adding 1 egg, then it would bring that up to 6 points. If you're adding 2, then it would bring it up to 8. Calories are 130 calories as packaged or 200 calories with the egg. And then I got some light sour cream, 1 point for 2 tablespoons. If you're counting calories, 35 calories per tablespoon. Got a couple cans of French style green beans, 0 points on all programs. If you're counting calories, 20 calories for half a cup. And then actually the rest of the stuff is 0 points. So I got some kiwi, a couple cucumbers, some asparagus, some broccoli, some blueberries, some blackberries, and then I got a big thing of water. So that's it for my meal plan and grocery haul video. So I hope you all liked this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. I'm Kristi and I'm planning us healthy.
You're perfect as you are. Just